how far we got in the end of day one. So first of all, we screwed our first plate down. We then framed the walls and stood in place, putting in a brace just to hold it upright. We then installed our flitch beams, which were 9x4 with a 10mm plate in between. We then got our lintels, which were 9x6, and then installed. We left them long just to give the building a bit more stability. We then infilled all the joist work and hanged it all up, ready to take our furrings and roof coverings on the next day. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.